Wanna know how to change your account settings in MoonPay? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your MoonPay application. And now, once you've done that here, you should be welcomed with this screen right here. So, we have also created a video on how to install and log into MoonPay, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you have done that here, you should be provided with this screen right here. And updating your profile is super simple. So first, if you want to update your profile picture, you can just simply select this profile icon on the top left side, and you can just simply select this edit icon, which will allow you to edit out your profile or your profile picture. Next, on the top right side, you should be seeing this small gear icon. Just simply select it, and now once you have selected this gear icon, you should be seeing your current preferences from payment methods or contact preferences. You can just simply select any one of these and start changing and updating your card from debit to credit, to going to account settings, changing your password, your preferences from themes, and even your main type. And that's it, super simple and easy. You can also head towards account and delete your account and much more and manage it accordingly. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.